Okay, we're looking at elimination methods. So we're going to do 4, and then you're going to have a bunch for homework. Okay, elimination method. It's called elimination method because you're eliminating one of the variables. So this is pretty straightforward. These first ones, which letter is going to disappear if I add them together? X or Y? Y. Negative 8x plus 4 is negative 4x. Negative 10y plus 10y doesn't give me anything. And 28 minus 24 gives me 4. Then I'm simply going to divide both sides by negative 4. And I get x equals negative 1. Yes, Abby, where'd we get lost? No, we got to plug it back in to find y. Where are you confused, Abby? Yes. Yep. Yeah, and then 28 plus negative 24 is positive 4. So then I have negative 4x equals 4, and I divided both sides by negative 4. Now we have to plug it back in. Either equation is fine. Negative 8 times negative 1 minus 10y equals 28. Negative 8 times negative 1 is 8 minus 10y equals 28. Subtract 8 from both sides. Negative 10y equals 20. Divide both sides by negative 10. And y equals negative 2. So negative 1, negative 2 is our answer. Nope. Yep. Okay, I'm going to do number 2. I'm not going to move it much, Simon, so you can still see. Okay, so for this one, I can't just add straight down. I'm going to have to do something. What would give me, what could I times one of them by to get eliminating something? So we've got times the second one by 2, and we get negative 12x plus 14y equals 9. Good? And then we just add straight down. Negative 12x plus 5x is negative 7x. So, one is, I know, like so tiny. Okay, shh. Okay. So we get 5x minus 14y equals 22. I just rewrote that, okay? Right there. Now, I'm just multiplying this, and I get negative 12x plus 14y equals 9, right? Because I timesed all of those things by 2. Yeah, every single one. And then I'm just adding straight down. 5x minus 12x is negative 7x. 14's cancel out or equal 0. 9, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh, what's 2 times 3, guys?
7.
6. It's definitely not 9. Okay, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Then we divide both sides by a negative 7. And we get x equals negative 4. Okay. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it back in. I'm just going to plug it into the first one. Doesn't matter which one you plug it into. Okay. Yes, Abby. Yes. So this is a 6 right here. But 6 plus 22 is 28. Yes. You good? 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. minus 14y equals 22. I'm going to add 20 to both sides. Negative 14y equals 42. Divide that by negative 14. And we get what? We get negative 3. So remember, to make it final, you have negative 4, negative 3 is your answer. Questions so far? You feeling okay?
Yeah, it's just the multiplying thing.
Yeah, it's a little bit weird. We're going to look at number 3. We're again going to have to multiply by something.
So we know that if one of them doesn't cancel out, we have to multiply.
Right.
Something. It doesn't always have to.
Nope. So looking right up here, what would work?
4.5.
Don't choose a decimal unless you have to. Don't choose a decimal unless you have to.
Oh, then 2.
Okay. I would do this one by 9. Oop, no, I wouldn't. I would do this one by negative 2. And then I'm going to just repeat, pull this one over here.
Oh, so you can get negative 12.
Yes, ma'am. So I get 2 times 6 gives me negative 12x. Negative 2 times negative 9 is positive 18y. Equals negative 2 times negative 6 is 6. Then I'm going to add them straight down. These cancel. 18 plus 2 is 20y. Negative 26 plus 6 is negative 20. Divide both sides by 20. Y equals negative 1. Now I'm going to plug that in. It doesn't matter which one you plug it into. I'm going to do it the first one. 12x plus 2 times negative 1 equals negative 26. 12x minus 2 equals negative 26. Add 2 to both sides. 12x equals negative 24. Divide by 12. X equals negative 2. Negative 2 comma negative 1 is my answer.
Wait,
How?
what? Oh, yeah, you're right. I used the differentiation and then I
You good? Okay, let's do the last one. What should we multiply this one by? Should we multiply the top equation or the bottom equation, and by what?
bottom equation.
By 6, yeah. So I get 6x minus 7y equals negative 8. And then I get negative 6x minus 24y equals negative 54. Add straight down. The x's cancel, right? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Negative 31y equals 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. And then we divide both sides by negative 31. Yes, I can. And I get, what? Yep. And then I get y equals 2. And then I'm going to plug this back in. I'm going to say 6x minus 7 times 2 equals negative 8. Shh. So 6x minus 14 equals negative 8. Add 14 to both sides. 6x equals 6. Divide both sides by 6, and what does x equal? 1. So 1 comma 2 is my answer. Okay, I'm going to pass out your homework. Okay, it starts off really easy where you don't have to multiply by anything for the first few. And then you'll have to multiply by something before eliminating after that.